Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. We are here to discuss the topic how to make a PowerPoint presentation. Now in order to make a PowerPoint presentation, first of all you have to open PowerPoint. Let's say on the status bar line, I'll type PowerPoint. When you open the PowerPoint presentation, here you are getting some ready-made templates. Either you select one template from here, and if you don't want to select any template, you just select the blank presentation. Okay? Now I have here blank presentation. Now on the blank presentation, first of all, the first thing I'm going to do is to click on Design tab. Design tab में I'm just going to make use of slide size. Slide size I'm going to select 16:9. ठीक है? Now just see, I have the slide design size of 16:9. Now my next step is, I'll just click on format background. Format background mein I'm going to select any color. If you want to select any single color, you can select any single color from here. And if you don't want to select, just click on more colors. More colors mein you have here the options. Just select any color. Let's say I'm selecting this one. Click OK. Now just see, you have a slide of format background over here. Now the next point is, either you make use of the copy paste option and just copy the slides, or either you make use of duplicate slides. I'm going to click on duplicate slides and I'm going to create 5 slides. Okay? Now my slides are created, simple slides are created. Now the first thing I want to do is, I'll just go on slide number 1. I'll just go on slide number 1. Slide number 1 mein I'm just going to delete this layout. After deleting the layout, next step is, I'm just going to make use of word art option. Word art mein I'll just click on any style. Let's say this style I have selected. I'll just click over here. Now I'll just write the name of the topic over here. Let's say I have written here cybercrime. Okay? Now I'll just change the style of this cybercrime options. Okay? I'll go in Home tab. Home tab mein I'll just select the font. Let's say Italian fonts I want to make use. Horlo Solid. Okay? I'll just select this font. I'll just change the size of your topic. Let's say I have selected this one. Make use of the arrow keys and make it a little bigger. Okay? Now the next thing is, you can just insert any picture. Go on the web browser. After going in the web browser, just type the name of the topic here. Let's say you've written cybercrime. Okay? Click on cybercrime. Go in images. Images mein you will get certain types of images. Okay? Let's say you are just selecting this image. Okay? Right click karo, copy this image and paste it here on the PowerPoint presentation. Right? Now this size can be made broader and it can be made in a smaller size also. So just select the slide, size of this one. Now your first slide is ready. If you want to do formatting of this picture, you can also do the formatting. Let's say here, okay, or anything else, whatever you wish, you can just do the formatting also. According to your own way, you can do the formatting. Then go in slide number 2. Again, after going in slide number 2, just select the layout. Layout mein, let's say you have selected this layout. Okay? Now this layout में पहला ये वाला मैंने delete कर दिया. I'll just make use of word art again here. Word art में I'll write here the name of the other topic, subtopic, WhatsApp security. ठीक है? I'll just broaden the size. Text outline also I'm going to give it in white color. Text field also white color. Okay? Now if you want to make it broader, you can just do it. And if you want to change the font style also, you can just choose it. लेट्स से आपने चूज किया अल्जीरियन, ठीक है. So just place your font over here, subtopic name over here. Now the next thing is you can just write your meaning over here, meaning of WhatsApp security, definition of WhatsApp security, ठीक है. So what I'll do is I'll just go in web browser. Web browser में I'll write the name of the topic over here. So after writing the name of the topic, I'll go in all. All में I'll just select the definition की where I'm getting the definition, ठीक है. So WhatsApp security definition, I'll write just make use of copy paste option over here. Copy कर लो, paste it over here, ठीक है. Change the style of this. Make use of justification, bold कर दो. Style if you want to change, you can change it. So after making use of this, you can just insert any picture also over here. Delete this layout. Insert any picture of WhatsApp security. Click on images. Let's say you're selecting this picture. Right click करो picture को, copy image करो. Go in PowerPoint again. Paste it. Make the size smaller. So after making the use of these things, you have to just select the animations and transitions also. Let's go on slide number 1. Slide number 1 में जाकर go in animations. Animations में when you will go, click on the animations. Let's say you're selecting this float in, ठीक है. Click on this one. Make use of wipe again, ठीक है. Again make use of the next slide. Again select the animations. Again to this one. Again to this one. ठीक है. Now if you want to see the screen show, just make use of F5 key. Go on pressing enter. You will make use of screen show option with this. So this is how you can make the slides. Even you can give the transitions also to your slides. From here you can give the transitions. ठीक है. So after making the transition, giving the transitions, go in file. File में जाकर click on save as option. Save as option में click on this PC. Let's say if you want to save your file on the desktop screen, save it. Give any name and just save it. So this is how we can make the PowerPoint presentation. I hope the target is clear to you. So stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning everybody.